What is green engineering? Green engineering, also known as sustainable engineering or ecological engineering, is the practice of designing, developing, and implementing products, processes, and systems that minimize environmental impacts while promoting economic and social sustainability.
Development and implementation of renewable energy systems have become increasingly crucial in promoting environmental sustainability and energy security. Renewable energy systems harness energy from natural resources such as solar, wind, hydropower, biomass, and geothermal energy.
High electricity consumption can have a negative impacts on the environment. These impacts include emission of greenhouse gases and other air pollutants, especially when a fuel is burned.
Being a state of sustainability, we must know overusing a resource means that future generation would have access to it. Sustainability is hence the capacity to sustain or support a process through time and guarantees that the resource is not misused. Economic, environmental, and social sustainability are the three main principles that are frequently separated. Governments and corporations alike have made commitments to pursue sustainable objectives like lowering their environmental footprints and preserving resources.
The high cost of providing this service in low-populated remote places with difficult terrain and low consumption result in rural electricity schemes that are usually more costly to implement than urban schemes. With respect to renewable energy projects, the Philippines has not yet gained sufficient experience in their development and operations and must rely heavily on foreign contractors. Thus, renewable energy projects costs in the Philippines are much higher compared to Europe and the United States.
The team itself is the answer to the given problem. But for now, let's focus on the solar energy, which is considered as the most common renewable energy source nowadays. Solar technologies convert sunlight into electrical energy. This energy can be used to generate electricity or to be stored in batteries or thermal storage. Because of the tropical climate with hot summer months, solar energy in the Philippines is huge. This energy source can be added up to the other source of energy in our country. The installation of such energy system can be solved the given problem both on the large scale and small scale problems on our country faces.
A windmill is a machine that converts the energy of wind into rotational energy by means of vanes called sleigh or blades. The rotating shaft of windmill can be used for various purposes, including grinding grain into flour, pumping water, or producing electricity. Windmills has been used for centuries and are still in use today in many parts of the world. They are sustainable and renewable source of energy that does not rely on fossil fuels. Windmills came into many different shapes and sizes, from traditional Dutch windmills with large sails to modern wind turbines with slick blades.
Hydropower, also known as hydroelectric power. It is a form of renewable energy that harnesses the energy of flowing or falling water to generate electricity. It is one of the oldest and most widely used sources of renewable energy worldwide. Hydropower is a major source of electricity generation worldwide. It provides a reliable and consistent power supply, contributing to the functioning of our homes, businesses, and industries.
Implementation of renewable energy has three major technology changes. First is energy savings on the demand side. Second, and efficiency improvements in the energy production. And lastly, the replacement of fossil fuels by various sources of renewable energy. As an electrical engineering student, we encourage you to use the renewable energy sources. It is necessary to develop and promote renewable energy supply, technologies, and demand for renewable energy. Renewable energy also reduces health risks since higher consumption of fossil fuels increases air pollution. Additionally, renewable energy can provide electricity access for all while reducing electricity costs for consumers.